If you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 to Samsung Health app on your phone, then here's what you need to do. So if your phone is not Samsung, if you have an Android that is not Samsung, then you will need to download the Samsung Health app. So let's just install it on your phone. Once you do that, we're gonna open it. So let's proceed. Now first we will need to sign into our Samsung account, so we can press this sign in button. And then if needed, select the account that you want to use. You might need to create an account or sign into your Samsung account in order to proceed. I am already logged in, so I just have to press continue in my case. After that, you may need to set up permissions. So scroll down and press continue and allow to all these permissions. Then you can select what do you want to focus on, and you can choose one of these four categories. Let's say I'm gonna choose overall health in my case, and let's proceed, and then we can press start. Now in addition to that, you might need to use the Samsung Galaxy wearable app, which is probably what you already have if you have connected your Galaxy Watch 8 with your phone. This is probably already done. If it is done, then you can just download the Samsung Health app, and it is pretty easy to set up. It should be automatically connected. There is no pairing or anything like that. The app gets all the information it needs from your phone already. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.